So today we're making Blueberry Delight. You start out with your cream cheese, you add a little confectioner sugar, and you mix that up well. Blend that in real well until it becomes creamy. Once this all gets mixed in well and blended together, we're going to add a little bit of vanilla flavoring. Get your vanilla flavoring in there, and then we're going to fold in a little bit of whipped cream or whipped topping, you may call it. We're going to blend all that in together real well. Once we get that completely blended in, then we're going to open up our graham cracker pie crust. And we'll just fold all this into the graham cracker pie crust. Just take and fold all this mixture right into the prepared graham cracker pie crust, and we'll smooth that around, fold that in nice and pretty. And then once we get that done, what we're going to do is just add the blueberry topping to this. Oh, that looks so good. So once we get our blueberries on here, we just kind of smooth that around, even that out real well. And then we're just gonna, that's basically it. We're gonna put the lid on it. And then we just put it in the freezer for a while and let it cool down, and she's ready to eat. There you have it, Blueberry Delight.